Hello and welcome to our November edition of our Property Market Wrap. Well, a busy spring property market is in full swing, and can you believe it, there's only 7 weeks to go until Christmas. Well, let's get straight into and look at the RBA rate decision this month. There was a lot of speculation from analysts that the Reserve Bank of Australia would actually cut the official cash rate at its November meeting, but they elected to keep it on hold at 2% for another month. However, even with this decision, home loan interest rates have been on the move during October. These rate rises were initiated by the Big Four banks, but many other lenders have followed their lead and raised rates as well. If you've been struggling to save a deposit for your first home or property investment, there's some good news this month. The rapid rises in home values that we've been seeing in Melbourne and Sydney have finally started to slow down. This is in response to the upward movement in the interest rates and the changes in the investor lending regulations by APRA coming into effect over the last 6 months. So how is this all affecting the property market? Home values in Sydney increased by 0.28% during October. Melbourne home values increased by 0.64%, and Brisbane and the Gold Coast improved by 0.16%. In Adelaide, home values rose by 1.47%. Canberra, they rose by 1.48%. Hobart, 1.44%. Only Perth and Darwin showed declines. Auction numbers were up in most states last month. However, it should be noted that private sales are now becoming more popular than auctions in Western Australia and the Northern Territory. Auction clearance rates were down across the board, indicating that there may be less competition for properties and buyers may be more discerning about property prices. If your bank increased your home loan interest rate last month, then it may be a good time to give us a call to get a home loan health check. Not all lenders have increased their rates and some have increased them less than others, so we can shop around to get the right loan for you. We can also access some great rates for property investors and first home buyers. So if you'd like to check what home loan options are available for you, then please don't hesitate to give us a call. That's it for our Property Market Wrap this month. I'll see you again next time.